Hello everyone, I am Aarti AS. Namo Namah. Welcome back to my channel Sanskrit in English.
Today we are going to study Bhashabhyasah of chapter number 8.2 Kutra Asti.
In the lesson we studied singular locative forms of words. That means Saptami Vibhakti Ekvachanam. Bhashabhyasah. First exercise. Arthapurnani Vakyani Rachayat. Frame the meaningful sentences with help of this table. See, these all are root words. Parvata, Dugdha, Lekhani, Vatika, Pustaka. Let's start making sentences. Parvata Mandiram Asti. Parvatah is a masculine word, so its Saptami Vibhakti or locative form becomes Parvate. Parvate Mandiram Asti. There is a temple on the mountain. Parvate means on the mountain. Dugdha Sharkara Asti. Dugdha also is a masculine word. So its locative form or Saptami Vibhakti becomes Dugdhe. Dugdhe Sharkara Asti. There is sugar in the milk. Dugdhe means in the milk. Lekhani. Lekhani Masi Asti. Lekhani is a feminine word, Ikaranta feminine word. So its locative form or Saptami Vibhakti becomes Lekhanyam. Lekhanyam Masi Asti. There is ink in the pen. Lekhanyam means in the pen and Masi means ink. Vatika Dola Asti. Vatika is a Akaranta Strilinga Shabdah, means Akaranta feminine word. Its locative form or Saptami Vibhakti becomes Vatikayam. Vatikayam Dola Asti. There is a swing in the garden. Vatikayam means in the garden. Vatika means garden. Dola means swing. Pustaka Geetam Asti. Pustaka is a neuter word. Akaranta Napusakling Shabdah. Its locative form or Saptami Vibhakti becomes Pustake. Pustake Geetam Asti. There is a song in the book. Pustake means in the book. Geetam means song. Now we will use Nasti. Nasti means not there, is not. Parvata Mandiram Nasti. Parvate Mandiram Nasti. There is no temple on the mountain. Nasti means is not. Parvate means on the mountain. Dugdha Sharkara Nasti. So, Saptami Vibhakti of Dugdha, Dugdhe Sharkara Nasti. There is no sugar in the milk. Sharkara means sugar. Dugdhe means in the milk. Lekhani Masi Nasti. Saptami Vibhakti of Lekhani becomes Lekhanyam. Lekhanyam Masi Nasti. There is no ink in the pen. Masi means ink. Lekhanyam means in the pen. Vatika Dola Nasti. Locative form of Vatika or Saptami Vibhakti of Vatika becomes Vatikayam. Vatikayam Dola Nasti. There is no swing in the garden. Vatikayam means in the garden. Dola means swing. Pustaka Geetam Nasti. Saptami Vibhakti of Pustak becomes Pustake. Pustake Geetam Nasti. There is no song in the book. Pustake means in the book. Geetam means song. Second exercise. Jalam Kutra Asti. Iti Likhata. That means where is water? Answer this question in various sentences using the appropriate form of the words in the circle. See, in the center, Jalam is given. This word you should use in every sentence. The other words, Kupi, Kalashah, Nadi, Samudrah, Ganga, Sarovarah, etc. are given. So we have to use Saptami Vibhakti of all these words to say water is in something. First, Jalam Kupi. So Jalam Kupyam Asti. Kupi is a Ikaranta Strilinga Shabdah. So its Saptami Vibhakti becomes Kupyam. Water is in the bottle. Kupyam means in the bottle. Jalam Kalashah. So Jalam Kalashe Asti. Kalashah is Akaranta Pullinga Shabdah. So its Saptami Vibhakti becomes Kalashe. Water is in the pot. Jalam Nadi. So Jalam Nadyam Asti. Nadi is again Ikaranta Strilinga Shabdah. So its Saptami Vibhakti or locative form becomes Nadyam. So Jalam Nadyam Asti. Water is in the river. Jalam Samudrah. So Jalam Samudre Asti. Samudrah is a Akaranta Pullinga Shabdah and its Saptami Vibhakti becomes Samudre. So Jalam Samudre Asti. Water is in the sea. Jalam Ganga. So Jalam Gangayam Asti. Ganga is a Akaranta Strilinga Shabdah and its locative form or Saptami Vibhakti becomes Gangayam. Water is in the Ganga river. Gangayam means in the Ganga river. Jalam Sarovarah. So Jalam Sarovare Asti. Sarovarah is a Akaranta Pullinga Shabdah. So its locative form or Saptami Vibhakti becomes Sarovare. Water is in the lake. Sarovare means in the lake. Sarovar means lake. Tips. While translating Saptami Vibhakti words, we use in, on or at according to the word to make it meaningful. Link to playlist of my previous videos is given in the description box. So guys, if you like my teaching, then please like, share and subscribe my channel Sanskrit in English. Also comment your views. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Namo Namaha. Punah Milamah. Dhanyavadah.